Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Roslyn from JMom Creations. Welcome if you are new, welcome if you are returning. If you are new, my name is Roslyn. I love all things home, all things that are beautiful. And I post one video once a week, sometimes on Sunday night or early on Monday morning. I would love if you consider subscribing. And if you are returning, thank you so much for all your support. So let's get started. In today's video, I'm going to refresh this room. First, I'm going to change that painting right there, change a couple of the pillow covers, and it's pretty much all I'm going to do. I have some orchid right here that need to be trimmed, and then give the room a nice little cleanup, and then set it up for the summer. This painting right here, I love it, but I think I'm going to leave it for the fall season. I'm going to bring it back for the fall season, but right now I'm going to change that, make it a little bit more light and airy, and then I'm going to change the pillow covers. Those are the Pottery Barn pillow cover line, and yeah, so I'm going to change that and clean up these, and then we freshen it and then keep it that way. And then over here, this is the little table that I twisted. I'm going to either paint the leg of it black to matches this one, so that way they both can look pretty clean, nice, or I'm going to leave it like this, or maybe kind of like light it up a little bit. That little citrus plant, I'm going to remove that. I have some orchid right here that need to be trimmed. I don't think it's doing well right here next to the window. I'm going to probably have to move this. The other one has some nice blooms in it, but they all fall down, which is cute. That's what happened with orchid. Orchid never really dies. They have their seasons. So yeah, so I'm going to clean up over here. I probably going to leave those pillow covers the way they are on these little chairs right here. I bought this thing right here to do a project for the outside. I need to remove that. It's been put there since I purchased it from BJ's, so I need to put that move that out of the way. Yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to do right here, and then after that I'll share with you what I'm going to use, the pillow covers that I'm going to use. I'm going to reuse pillow covers that I already had used in prior videos, because I don't want to be buying anything. I'm in a season that I don't feel like buying anything. I have a couple things that I purchased that in the storage that I never bought out. I'm probably going to look through them and see what I can reuse by changing the table, moving things out of the table, maybe bring some other decor pieces. Very simple, very light, and everything over there I'm probably going to leave the same. Maybe, I don't know, maybe tweak things a little bit. So let's go ahead and get started. I have this oil painting that I twisted a long time ago. It's a very nice maybe a Tuscan looking chateau. So I'm going to use this on my fireplace, so that way I can bring some of the blue color pillow covers. I think it matches nicely with the rug. The rooftop of the building looks very goes very nicely with the rug. So I'm going to change the pillow cover, the art over the fireplace for this one, because I love the blues. I love the little purple and the terracotta floor. It's pretty, and I love the arch columns. Very, very pretty oil painting. I have it for a very long time. I like the color of the frame. So let me give it a good cleanup. So I just got it out from the storage. from the garage back there. So let me give it a good clean up, and after that I'm going to place it over the fireplace, and I'm going to share with you the pillow covers that I am going to use. I'm going to use some of these pillows. First, I think I'm going to use this one. This one is from Ballard Design. I love it. I have a set of two. The places mostly I buy my pillow covers or my throws are from Facebook Marketplace, because if you type on Facebook Marketplace designer pillows and throws and things like that, it will come up based in your area who's selling them, because I do list a couple of them that I don't use anymore. So yeah, I do sell some of my pillow covers for on Facebook Marketplace. This one I love the texture of it. This one is from Pottery Barn. Also, I got it from Facebook Marketplace years ago. Most of my pillows around the house are designer pillows. They are very expensive pillows, and you can get them for a fraction of the price once you purchase them on Facebook Marketplace. I got this one. This one is more like I love the texture. Is it very soft? I'm not sure where this one is. It doesn't have a tag in it, but I love the stripe color. So I think this one going to look nice, because I wasn't planning on changing those pillows over there, but I think I'm going to once I found these in the storage. I don't think I ever used them. I have a lot of pillow covers that I have not used, because I do purchase things, not when I need things, I look for things. Once I find something that is a good price, and I will buy them and save them. Sometimes I forget that I have them, which is not really good. But anyway, so I'm going to change those color pillows. Maybe I'll bring them for the fall season, because I love the tan. I love those colors from Pottery Barn. But switching them for a lighter feel with the artwork, I think that's going to look a lot nicer for the summer. The thing I'm going to switch, I found this pottery. It is heavy, it's blue. So I found it also in the storage. I don't think I ever use it. As you can see, when I purchased it, it was $3.99 pretty much on a half-day sale. I'm thinking of using it inside this little pottery thing with my orchid that need to be trimmed. I'm going to place it inside this one. I think it will bring a little bit of blue on this side of the table, which I do need to clean. If you look closer, you will see all the dust. So this is why we're doing this, right? This is what the fireplace look like. I placed a little plant inside this vase, which is pretty. And I have these two little twist little candle holders. Place it right there. And then on my bust, I put this jewelry piece on him. I'm always dressing him up. Very pretty. So, and then the art, very, 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 very pretty. I love it. So cute. So pretty. Yep. I had to remove the tag. On the couch, it's very pretty, those pillow covers. Very, very nice. It makes the room so airy. Very, very pretty. And then on the table, I kept it the same. All I did is rearrange the stuff that were on it and took out a couple more stuff that were on it. So I love it. It is so, so, so pretty. So whimsical. Let me go ahead and turn on the light so that way I can get a little bit of moody. Yes, much, much better with the lights on. I absolutely love the table lamps. It makes it very cozy, and you can see the lamp that shine over there into the mirror. So lovely. And on that little round table, let's go there and see what I did. Over here, I have this beautiful antique mirror. It's like a bell bottom thing. So I place it right here for some rustic feel. And then I kept the plant right here, but I removed the other plant that was here. I remove it, I place it in the vase, and it's up there on the fireplace mantle. I absolutely love it. And over here on that little small table, I just clean it up. I didn't do anything to it because I didn't want it's hot out there, y'all. I didn't take it outside and do anything. I just spray it and clean it and remove that little plant that was on top of it. But I love these two pillows right here. It anchors the room very nicely. I love it. So looking over here, it is absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. And it is something that I can leave here for the summer, and I'm not going to change it until fall comes. So beautiful big plant is right here. So lovely. I love how, it frames the room very nicely. I absolutely love it. So on this side of the room, I kept it very simple. This is the landing. It's a little small landing right here. So I place my little chair right here, kept the plant on it, but I just need to change this right there, but I'm going to do so. Let me go ahead and look for more decor to put over here. Let's go ahead and do that. Looks like I bought this little vase right here. I placed the plant inside of it, which is pretty. And this is my big candle holder with the glass. Very cute. So I love it. It looks so pretty. This little wooden cat right here, I think it's cute. I place it underneath that. I think it is so cute, so whimsical. There it is. Yeah, it looks like Garfield. The only thing is Garfield is brown. So yeah, I love this area. And the little antique chair looks very pretty right here. It reminds people there is a drop down. So when you come into the room, it tells you there's a drop down. So you have to look down because of the chair. You're gonna see right here, because so many accidents almost happen in this little area right here. So yeah, so I made a couple of changes. I found this horse. This it's very heavy. This metal horse. I put it right here, and then I brought down this vase, which has some blues. I love the design of it. It is so pretty. So I bought it here with some roses and some nice of these beautiful flowers, and I top of some little yellow flower in that, just so that way it, just to make it whimsical. So pretty. I love how simple and cute these silk roses are, and they look very realistic. So pretty. I love it. So yeah, as I was shopping the home, I found these, and I figured to bring a little softness onto the table, which I think is very pretty. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So I love the way it looks. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. Give today's video a big thumbs up. And those of you who have been with me, thank you so much for all your support. I hope today's video was inspired. Use what you already have, refresh your home, and make it beautiful for you and your family. It does not cost lots of money to recreate and revamp something you already used. So thank you again for watching. Until next time, stay safe and be blessed. Bye guys. Bye. Love you all.